Hi, I am Iryna and it's Andrii, and from 2019 we make personalized wooden map art.
We are proud to share the most popular products, which are walkie holders with mounted magnets, was Andrii's idea and creation. Different types of location or city maps that beautifully captures details of your place, travels or destination. And our latest epoxy resin lake maps. Excellent decor improvement and memorable gift for him.
I have always been inspired by different ideas. When these ideas were brought to life, when I could make them with my own hands, and when it turned out to be undoubtedly a great result, the result was an awesome product. This all inspired me in work, in development, in self-development, and for me, that was the most important thing.
Gradually, we gathered a team of enthusiasts who shared our love to handmade product.
I like that each member in our team contributes in our own unique way, and this creation results in the production of beautiful pieces.
My favorite part is creating engaging video content. Receiving positive feedback and promoting Ukrainian product is the best reward for me.